Good afternoon, tutor and companions. Then I let's answer that world behaving in the interview. Where are you? Personal presentation. Hello, teacher. I am Yurani Castro. I am 28 years old. I study industrial engineering at UNAD. I live in Sogamoso with my late daughter. I work in mining underground in Socotá, 6 years old. I am in charge of the area of health and safety at work. I love my family and my work. What is your dream job? Support your answer. My dream job is to have my own consulting company with pay attention to topics related to safety and health at work, helping to advise with different entities in the labor area. What do you need to be a successful? I need to finish my professional career and to a specialization that contribute to my knowledge and experience, because I think the safety and health is very important and work. Which aspect can you help to improve in your professional area? I consider myself a later woman and think that to improve my professional area I can. What can you do for the world from your professional perspective? My professional character allowed me to think about an outcome of the process in order to improve the quality of my work, health, that is your side, reduce and error in the workplace, replenish, matching and equipment operation me personally. Thank you.